Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen, and today I'd like to talk to you about family food cooking. Stay tuned and I'll bring you a recipe. Today's recipe is bacon and egg breakfast muffins. The ingredients are 1 breakfast muffin, bacon, eggs, cheese and a small amount of oil. We start by splitting the muffin, slice the cheese. I make approximately 2 slices. Add a little bit of oil to the pan. Fry the muffin just for about a minute or so, just to crisp it up both sides. Use the frying pan to fry the bacon. Once the bacon is cooked, take out and leave to one side. Fry the egg. Assemble the bacon, the cheese and the egg on the muffin. Place the lid on and enjoy. This can be made vegetarian sausage or normal sausages, depending on what you like. This makes a fantastic Sunday morning breakfast.